Welcome to Negril All Age.
So not hurt them, preserve them, harass them, or kill them. People, don't litter the market because when you go in the market, you're not gonna like it.
When we started in 1997, we had about 25 schools participating in the program, and over the years we saw where it grew to over 300 schools. It is basically aimed at raising environmental awareness in students and teachers by going through a number of activities which include garbage management, greening of their school, starting or starting an environment club, and getting involved in environmental research. And that way you incorporate the information in the day-to-day activities at the schools.
Today we have about 15 schools that are participating in this competition, and they seem to have done well, which I'm very proud of.
We have been a part of SCP for over 15 years. It teaches students a lot how to take care of the environment.
What are the differences and similarities between these endemic birds, the Jamaica owl and the Jamaican woodpecker?
So you think you're going to come out victorious?
Yes, miss.
Finding out the medical and economical values of plants, the pimento and the sugarloaf pineapple.
For over 25 years from the inception of the Environmental Just program. It helps us to help the children to be more aware of their environment. If we care the environment will care us.
We were involved from 1994. We got award for Clean School Research. In 2001 also, we received award for the School Environment Program. We have decided to be a part of the program because to us the environment is very important, and what is happening around us. We are aware of the different disease, the different natural disasters that is happening. We are aware of global warming and the effects of global warming on the environment, and we have to teach our students the impact of human being on the environment.
I can remember when the program was just started, and you have stuck with it. Over these years, the impact has been great. I mean, judging from the participation from the various crews right across the island and the enthusiasm shown by the students, and also in the communities in which some of these schools are involved. We've been partnering with yourself, with JET, over the past 5 years in particular, and we hope to continue that association as a major opportunity to engage our students at the school level.
First of all, I wanted to say happy birthday to Jet because 20 years is a great anniversary, and we are very proud that Total has been with you since 2009. We try to be as involved as possible in environment because it's key for the future of the planet, key for the children. And when we talk about the children, obviously we have to sponsor schools because they are the means of the change as far as environment is concerned.
CIBC First Caravan is so proud to be a part of the JETS family. We have been supporting JETS for the past 20 years, and through JETS, we've been doing the Schools Environment Program. We believe that it is very important for us as a good corporate citizen to support this initiative because it's a shared responsibility to protect our environment.
In September 1997, JET began what has now become the longest running environmental education initiative in Jamaica, the Schools Environment Program, or SEP. SEP has been delivered in over 350 Jamaican schools, reaching over 300,000 students and 600 teachers over its lifetime. Today, I am proud to declare that SEP is 20 years old. Today marks the culmination of a year's worth of environmental work for these schools. The results of their research have been presented, judged, and top performers will be awarded for their work. We recognize all the hard work done by the students and their teachers, and we really commend your achievements, so thank you.
Back we go to Hanover, and our champion school this year is Maryland All Age.
This is not the first time Maryland All Age has won.
No.
You guys won last year as well?
Yes.
And you guys have won before that?
Yes.
So you guys are just winners.
Yes.
All right, so I look forward to you guys next year. Congratulations.
I'm sure you understand that education is not a short-term undertaking. So unless we have donors who will stay with us over the long haul, we're not going to see the kinds of results that I hope you all saw today. What you've seen today is really the result of 20 years of work. Year after year, building on foundations that have been laid down. And I am certainly very proud to be here. Congratulations to all of you for the fantastic work that you have done.
Thanks to you, our sponsors, schools, students, teachers, principals, JET members, consultants, partners, JET staff past and present, who all of which have supported SEP over its 20-year history and who continue to make it a success year after year.